So good morning once again. Now we are discussing about branches of commerce. In commerce, as we now know that it links producer to consumer. Means with the help of trade and aids to trade, these are the two branches of commerce. You can see through this chart that trade and aids to trade. So these are the two main branches. In trade, we know in simple words the buying and selling of goods and services. That comes in trade. Trade can be sub-classified in two categories. The very first is home, internal or domestic, which you can see. In internal trade, we are having wholesale trade and retail trade. Within the boundaries of the countries, wholesale trade, in bulk, in large quantity, wholesaler sell product to retailer. And retail trade, in small quantity, direct to the customers, a retail businessman provide the product. Herein comes external or international. It can be sub-classified in three categories: export, import and interport. In export, we supply the goods to other countries. In import, we purchase from other countries when the goods receive to our country. Interport, here what we do, we import from a country, we do some modifications in it according to the product, and then we export. That comes in interport. We'll study in detail. So trade can be classified in two categories: internal, external. Internal can be sub-classified wholesale and retail. External in three subcategories: export, import and interport. Now we come to aids to trade. These are the services provided to support to perform the activity of industry and of business. So all the services like transportation, warehousing, insurance, banking, communication, advertising, these all are aids to trade. Please do revise this chart. I am sending the PDF file. Please read it. I will explain these separately, don't worry. So, in commerce, we are having its two branches: trade, aids to trade, and these are the subcategories. Please do read and make this chart in your notebook. Thank you.